My name is Margaret Otieno. I am from Kenya and I work for the Wildlife Clubs of Kenya. The Wildlife Clubs of Kenya is a national non-governmental organization with a vision to empower Kenyans with conservation knowledge for sustainability. In order to do this, we implement various programs. For example, desnaring programs, tree growing initiatives, campaigns, lobbies, waste management, water and energy conservation activities. We also expose the young people to areas of ecological importance to enable them to feel part of nature and to take action to conserve our flora, fauna, biodiversity, and the environment. Now, unfortunately, the Kenyan school system is already so packed with examinable subjects. This gives quite some inadequate time for us to be able to implement our activities with the schools. This is a major challenge. Of course, the other challenge is to do with the vastness of Kenya as a country. Kenya is huge and it has quite a diverse ecology. To meet the challenges that we experience as we implement our programs, we have recently introduced 6 mobile education units. The mobile education unit is composed of a fully equipped motor vehicle with power generator, with screens, and it's accompanied by a highly qualified educator who visits even the most remote part of the country, educating, giving talks, showing films, and engaging the young people in conservation activities practically. Apart from that, we have also intensified the production of education resources materials so that we can disseminate this to the youth for a wider audience. We have seen the numbers of individual members of the wildlife clubs grow. Currently, the membership stands at 150,000, and our program has really improved in outreach. Every year, we are reaching a minimum of 500,000 young people in the country. The Wildlife Clubs of Kenya activities have been a great inspiration. We get really excited and encouraged by the number of former members involved in voluntary conservation activities and the number of young people who are taking up conservation-related careers. 90% of the people who are involved in conservation-related work today in Kenya claim membership to the Wildlife Clubs of Kenya during the school days. Moreover, most rangers and wardens at the Kenya Wildlife Service also claim that they discovered their career paths in conservation through WCK membership.